There was a decorated general with a heart of gold that likened him to all the stories he told of past battles won and lost and legends of old. A seasoned veteran in his own time, on the battlefield he gained respectful fame, with many medals of bravery and stripes to his name. He grew a beard as soon as he could to cover the scars on his face, and always urged his men on. But on the eve of a great battle with the infantry and dream, the old general tossed in his sleep and wrestled with its meaning. He awoke from the night to tell what he had seen, and walked slowly out of his tent. All the men held tall with their chests in the air, with the courage in their blood and a fire in their stare. And it was a great morning and they all wondered how they would fare, till the old general told them to go home. He said, I have seen the others, and I have discovered that this fight is not worth fighting. And I've seen their mothers, and I will know other to follow me where I'm going. So take a shower and shine your shoes. You got no time to lose. If you are young man, you must be living. Take a shower and shine your shoes. You got no time to lose. If you are young man, you must be living. Go now, you are forgiven. But the men stood fast with their guns on their shoulders, not knowing what to do with the contradicting orders. The general said he would do his own duty, but he would extend it no further. The men could go as they pleased, but not a man moved. Their eyes gazed straight ahead, till one by one they stepped back and not a word was said. And the old general was left with his own words echoing in his head. He then prepared to fight. He said, I have seen the others, and I have discovered that this fight is not worth fighting. No, and I've seen their mothers, and I will know other to follow me where I'm going. So take a shower and shine your shoes. Oh, you got no time to lose. You are young man, you must be living. Yeah, take a shower and shine your shoes. Oh, you got no time to lose. You are young man, you must be living. Go now, you are forgiven. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you are forgiven. Go. Yeah. Go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you are forgiven. Go. Oh, go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you are forgiven. Go now, you got to be, got to be, got to be, got to be, got to be. Hey.
and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accept it that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to you is worth saving, then you better start swimming or you'll sink like a stone, for the times they are a-changing. Some writers and critics who prophesize with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel's still in spin, and there's no telling who that it's naming. For the loser now will be later to win, for the times they are a-changing. Senators, congressmen, please heed the call. Don't stand in the doorway, don't block up the hall, for he that gets hurt will be he who has stalled. The battle outside raging will soon shake your windows and rattle your walls, for the times they are a-changing. Mothers and fathers throughout the land, and don't criticize what you can't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command. Your old road is rapidly aging. Please get out of the new one if you can't lend your hand, for the times they are a-changing. It is drawn, the curse it is cast. The slow one now will later be fast, as the present now will later be past. The order is rapidly fading, and the first one now will later be last, for the times they are a-changing.
Take one?
Yep.
There's been something, baby, I've been trying to say. For an age and it seems I don't know how, yeah. With the past and the future now surrounding me, I surrender to whatever cheap thrill can be found. There's been a little trouble, yeah, since you came to my rescue. And if you've been like gone and the rest, I would've quit you long ago, but I couldn't do it fast. Yeah. Oh, tell me why women who mine never went too well. Make a man say things you don't wanna tell. You're no woman that you wish me well, but despite it trying, I'm still gonna have to find my own way through. With the dreams surrounding me, I say, like the mist of morning, my dreams remain, hanging in the burnt fields of my memory. The flames is a chorus of your disdain. I'm just picking up the past I left behind me, and I'm searching solution on the double. on my 2-ton telephone. My good friend says you ain't got no real trouble, just too many choices you left undone. And my friend, like all of the rest, he says, put a little action to your words, it'll all come, yeah, rain it down. Ah, tell me why, women know why I never went too well. Like this list of long lies I don't wanna tell. I know woman let you wish me well, but in spite of you trying, I'm still gonna have to find my own way through in good time. Time is a way of turning my head around, like a groove of sunshine on the cloudy days. Now the wind is blowing in the right direction. I got a little candle under my feet, a little good ground under my